again. So, sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko, nag-iisip pa rin kung saan mag-study for the OSCE, I highly recommend na mag-ask kayo sa tutor. Really, hindi kayo magsisisi because this is really the best place to have your anxiety and worries all out. Kasi tutulungan ka nila. Tutel really helped me, took away all my worries when preparing the OSCE. Because at the beginning, although there are criteria that they gave out those things, but you will worry really on what are the things to cover. And Tutel just took it away. They're really helpful. They answer all your questions right away, and really they accommodate all your needs. So I'm really happy that I am with Tutel. Well, talking about my first day, it was really quiet because everyone are new, but they really give their best and showed us how to do every stations. So we had that confidence a little to do it. But then during the mock exam, that's the time we show our talents and skills, show how are we gonna deal with our patients and our nursing skills. So that talent, that confidence just push up to the limit. And I'm inviting you all to come and register in Tutel.